Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Workflowy calendar. So let's get straight into it. Now how to use it. For an item to show up in a calendar view, it needs a date tag. So how you can do that tag is just simply click here on these three dots right here, as you can see, and then add date just like that, and let's say for tomorrow, and now we have a date right here. All right, now if I click here like that, you can also adjust the range, format, and you can play here a little bit how you want the date looks like, time, format, start of a week, and so on. Now you can also add here some to-do lists and something similar. So where it is now, um, now if I click here on this black dot, I go into April 28th, and we can add some like to-do list and so on. We can also like that, and we type something in right here, the second one, third one, fourth one, and like that. And if we want to go to the calendar back, here at the top left corner, you will see calendar. And yeah, now as you can see, if I add another date here, so let's say Thursday, like so, and click on it, this black dot here, I can also add something to it. Let's say, for example, like quote, oops, to type in something. And now, as you can see, I have 2 dates here. So if I go in one of them, you will see that we have what we put into it. All right. Now, what you can also do, you can move a task from Thursday to Friday just by dragging it. Workflowy will automatically update the date tag inside the item text for you. As you can saw, we can also add some board, and we have also that possibility to upload a file and yeah, move it to tomorrow, as you can see. So now you see here I moved to tomorrow, and yeah, this is pretty much everything about this calendar that you can do. Here at the top right corner, you have also the search bar. So if you want it, you can find it this way, what you have, what you are interested in and searching for. Now here, you can share this at the top right. You can also move to the to today day. Then you can put a star, so you can mark this as an important. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the